Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate EMI using Excel and that too using what if analysis. There are many ways to calculate EMI. There is a simple formula to calculate EMI. But I will show you both 2-3 methods if time permits. I'm going to finish up this video in less than 6 minutes. So let's start. Assume the loan amount is $100,000. Rate is 6%. Loan for number of months, that is for 300 months. Now this rate, please keep in mind, it is an yearly rate. Now, first I will make sure that you understand and then I will tell you some easy ways. So, opening balance of loan, then interest on it, then EMI, and then closing balance. Now, this is year 1, year 2, and so on and so forth. Sorry, month 1, month 2 till 300. Now, opening balance of month 1 is 1 lakh. The interest will be opening balance multiplied by yearly rate. I need to fix it, divided by 12. That will be my interest. So interest will always be on opening balance. First year, let's keep EMI as 0. And my closing balance is equal to opening balance plus interest minus EMI. You got this? Now, first year closing balance will be opening balance for next year. Interest, you just need to drag it. EMI should be equal to first month EMI and then closing. Now, if you drag this till let's say 300, perfect. So just take it down. Now, what does EMI says that in my last month, the final value or the closing balance should be 0. So let's go to data, what if analysis, and goal seek. You can do this with solver also, but goal seek will work. This value, that is cell I304, I want this cell I04 to 0 by changing this first year's EMI value. You just click here and you will get EMI as 644 and the last year value will be 0 if you convert it into number. Now, this is very difficult method. There is another simpler method to do this. There is a formula called payment. So, the rate is 6% divided by 12 and per is for how many months? Your present value is 1 lakh. You want your future value to be 0. Just press enter. You will get the same amount, 644.30. If you want to see the formula, this is the formula. Try doing this. If you could not do let me know in your comments. This is a simple few minutes video. I hope you understood how to calculate EMI. If there is any question which you have, please type it in the comments. I will get back to you. If you like this video, you know what to do. That's my time. Thank you very much.